Hello student, this is me Tripti Dubey, your ICT teacher. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic of ICT, more on MS Word 2010. In this chapter we are going to discuss some important features of MS Word 2010. What is a MS Word? MS Word is a word processing software. Word processing software are used to make word processing. Word processing software are used to make a formatted documents. Do you know, children, what is the name of the first word processing software? It is a WordStar. It is developed in 1979 by Microprose International Inc. What do you mean by formatting? Formatting refers to a changing appearance of the document to make it more understandable and attractive. We can format a document with the help of formatting features, like we can color our font, we can change a font style, we can change a line spacing. You know, children, MS Word developed by Microsoft Corporation in 1983. And what was the original name of MS Word developer? Richard Body and Charles Simoy. Let's discuss some features of MS Word 2010. MS Word provide variety of features like document features to creating a file, updating a file, saving a file, and protecting a file. Even you can print your file. Functional features. You can create a table in your document. You can insert a header and footer. You can also insert footnote and endnote. It also provides some content feature, like you can insert bullets, numbering, paging. MS Word also provides some navigation features, find and replace, paging, and page layout. It also provides some graphical features like icons, symbols, shapes, and text. You can also insert a background in your document. You can also insert a border in your document. Customization, tools. You can also customize a tools that is given on a MS Word document, like menus, options, and tools. MS Word provides very important features, language features. With the help of this feature, you can check the grammar, you can check the spelling of your words, and you can translate your document. Even you can use a dictionary. So children, in this chapter, we are going to discuss some important features of MS Word 2010. Number 1. Find and replace. Find feature is used to locate a specific word or phrase in your document. If you want to find a specific word in your document, so you can use a find option. For the find option, you can also use a shortcut key Ctrl+F. MS Word also provide a replace feature. If you want to replace any specific word with another word, you can use a replace feature. Replace feature allows us to substitute all or only the selected occurrence of a word or phrase with another word. For the replace feature, you can use Ctrl+H shortcut key. Find and replace option present in a home tab. So let's see practically how to use it. Here is a one document. Here you can see a word WORD, Word 2010. Here you can see many versions of MS Word 2010. If I want to replace all the MS with the Microsoft, so you have one option. You can do it manually, but just take a time. So we can use a find and replace option. How can we do it? Just go on the home tab, find option, replace option. If I want to replace MS with the Microsoft, so I have to click on replace option. If I only want to search find a word, so we have to click on find option. Here I have to write MS, which word I want to find, and find on next. When you click on find on next, so where your cursor is there, it will find the next word of your cursor. When you click on find in, So current selection, it finds all the words that you are searching in your document. If you want to replace MS with the Microsoft, so you have to click on replace tab, type your word which you want to replace. I want to replace MS, so it is already written over here. So now I have to type a new word which I want to replace with the MS. So I want to replace MS with Microsoft. Okay. So if I want to replace only first occurrence, so I have to click on replace option. If I want to replace all the occurrence of MS in your document, so we have to click on replace all. See, there's a 14 MS are there in your document. So if you want to replace all the occurrence, all the 14 occurrence, so you have to click on yes. See, the MS will be replaced with the Microsoft. So this is one of the important wonderful features of MS Word. Let's move on another feature. Line spacing and paragraph spacing. This is also one of the important feature of MS Word. Line spacing is a blank vertical spaces between two lines. If you want to give a vertical space between two lines, as you can see on your screen, there is a space between first line and second line. This is a line spacing. And if you want to give a space between one paragraph to another paragraph, so you can use a paragraph spacing. And where these options are found? These options are present in Home tab. There's many kinds of line spacing are there. By default 1.0 line spacing is working. You can change it by using the line spacing option. Let's do it practically. See, I want to give a space between all the lines, those are given here. So I have to select this line, select these lines and click on Home tab. There's a line spacing option is here. So if I want a spacing from these given options, so I have to select any one and click on it. But I need to go in line spacing option. When you click on line spacing option, line spacing dialog box will be appear. From here you can give a paragraph spacing also, indentation and the spacing. So here you have to select before and after spacing. Here by default single line spacing is select. You have to select double and click on OK. See, the spaces of vertical spaces between a line is increased now. So this is called line spacing and paragraph spacing. Let's move on another feature, page margin. Page margin is a white space all around your printed area of a paper. This space is called page margin. This space gives a systematic look to your text of the document. As you can see on your screen, this is a printed area of your page and here you can see the boundary. This is your page margin. Where this option is found? This option is found in page layout tab. Let's see how to change page margin. See, this is your document. If you want to change a page margin, so you have to click on page layout tab. Margin option is here. When you click on margin option, there's some default margins are given here. By default normal is working. You can select the narrow, you can select the moderate one. If you don't want to select any default one, you can make your own margin setting by clicking on the page setup. Here you can increase and decrease the top and left and gutter margin and bottom of margin of your page. You can select any one and click on OK. See, the margin is changed of your paper. Here you can see that the specific space given around the page, this space called page margin. So children, we will discuss till here only. Next topic we will discuss in our next video. Thank you so much. God bless you all.